I want to ask you for the refund percentage, because it's been 2 months since I started selling 2K a day. So I'm having like
Congrats.
one or two persons asking like for the order, a little bit angry each day. So how many refunds should I give? Like, should I be super flexible, or should I be super strong and wait like until the people is super angry and then give the refund?
Awesome. So that's a two-part question. So part one, how much percent should you be refunding? So on average, a healthy store would have under 1% refunds. So if you have 1,000 orders, you would have less than 10 refund requests. So that's answer to question one. Now the question two is, how should I deal with refunds? Now that's going to go down to your stress tolerance versus your financial issue. Now, if your financial issue is tough and you sort of need any penny, keep talking to the customers, drag it out, and hopefully the product arrives to them, and sort of keep reasoning with them, buy yourself time, do like reply every 2 to 3 days, and sort of draw it out until the product arrives to the place, keep sending them tracking number updates, and that's how you can save some money and do less refunds. Now, the con of that, it's highly stressful. Now, option two, you go ahead and you have more of a budget. You don't want to deal with the stress. When someone asks like an issue, it's been more than 4 weeks and they're definitely annoyed and they seem very aggressive, I just refund them straight away. And the con of that is you're going to be doing more refunds, you would be losing more money, but there's much less stress.
I've been doing half refunds for people that has been like 6 weeks waiting and the product still like with no tracking number. So
yeah, that's a good option.
yeah.
Like give them discount coupons. Be like, so sorry for the late shipment. We know it's going to arrive. Here's a 50% refund, or here's a discount coupon for you to go ahead and here's a $10 discount coupon. Get $10 off your next product because we know that this product is going to arrive to your house, but here's $10 off on your next purchase. So that would go towards option one, where you're sort of doing many different things to like buy time.